images and this way they come for our forces, then where they be the monitor before they carry out the attack, where the ADF carry out an attack against it. I be promise when I say we go take out Diongote. So wait way happen I say was sniper where they place it for Santa Day for place where we get for first do it first stop for day. It's sniper rifle it fail, unfortunately, but then use another gun for shoot the Diongote. I go play the report. So now the image is in that for Santa where the ADF it target Lily Afrique with a sniper. It get lucky, say the sniper rifle a jam. Then try all people fix and way no day. So they use now a different weapon where no need to call the weapon for shoot the Diongote. They shoot no be successful, they no shooty. But when I see how La Republic they panic, it become for them can't take microphone for talk. If everybody they talk say me people then can't see you for talk say wetty. You for La Republic they never respect you. When I remember when Betty Asomo come, now it is them giving a VIP helicopter can land for up station, well protected. You as a whole prime minister, if they will respect you, they send you now moto, say me your own people then can't kill you for inside Bamenda. You can't stand the talk speech. Say people then way they want talk for you, me they can't talk for you. The same government for La Republic where they burn your own village. It done burn over 400 villages in Ambazonia. Burn our people that arrive. When I remember, I even dedicate this one set for Umatu. Umatu, our Mbororo gateway ide for Insabui. Them burning for house alive. You want me who then can't talk for you, Diongote. A criminal regime of La Republic. They don't torture our people them. Burn down our schools. Beat up our common law lawyers. Colonize us. Subjugate us. Under Kale. You wanted me, they can't talk for you like who? Who are you in the first place? You're just a puppet. So our people that need for wise up, might play the video, me gonna see them. Big images in this. It show the real situation on the ground, despite their propaganda for cover over to the happen. Yeah, they push and calm down, confused. Military people they run past civilian them.
Calm down.
Yeah, the holy, then drappy. So now see the attack. See the journalists they come. This now the real image. As we talk, say the revolution shall not be televised. These are the real images that happens in Bamenda. So the whole world should know that the Cameroon have no control. The world is in full swing. We are more courageous than any time in our history, and we are attacking these people. Even Diongote, as it don't bring people them from Yaoundé, they can't stage propaganda. We don't answer them. We don't show the people the real face of what is happening. La Republic have lost this war. They cannot win us in our own land. They have to admit that we don't want them. Our people have rejected La Republic to Cameroon. What we want is independence and nothing else. And we will never stop fighting until independence is attained. That is what we deserve. That is what our sons and daughters are dying for. And that is what our people are doing by observing Ghost Town every Monday. So now watch out.
In the northwest region and also the neighboring Babaju in the west region, there is shooting that is going on. Non-state armed groups fighters have launched an attack shortly after the arrival of Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph Diongote and the security and defense forces.
So now the big attack that way they attack them, and this one are just for show the Diongote. This particular area for Santa area, they na area where they be feasted and get them totally under control. But we will be able to plan a sniper for them for take out Diongote. We wanted the attack was targeting him directly. It was not to frighten them. It was not to threaten them. This was an attempt to take him out, and we are going to do it again. As I said it before, we don't just make bub. They have tried to stop the ghost town, thinking that they are going to bring people there, and I'm sending a warning. After Diongote will leave, there will be a clean up campaign in Bamenda for clean all dirty, all black like them, where they don't bring up. big disgrace. We also see how the Diongote for upstation for Bamenda Day. I also want to thank General Okoro, the Ambazonia Defense Forces General, way there for inside Pinyin. Now, as he picking them, also them join the attack for inside matters in there. A very big attack, very successful attack. We thank them also for that attack. So we get attack for 3 chiefs the way they run Ambazonia. They no fit stay for their own village. Chiefs in exile. Now then this, they line up our chief, our traditional rulers, like small picking them for corner road, for stand for line, for wait Diongote. Inside Amoka, force them for hold our Republic flag. Some of them hold them, some of them not hold them. Most of the one they for exile. So when I see where to be La Republic is doing for our chiefs. Now they door chiefs and this way they don't carry them, go put them for that house of chiefs. Regional house of chiefs. Regional house of chiefs, my ass. Now upstation this, now, if anything in it for come out from this visit, now for encourage Ambazonia and for pick up arms and fight against this terrorism from La Republic, this subjugation, this humiliation where they want to do for our people. They don't represent us and we must fight for liberate ourselves. When I see what fund and the ram begin use them like small picking them. Stand a whole fund for corner road for wait. How will we do accept this type of thing? How will we do accept this type of thing? We cannot. We cannot. We know say the only hope way La Republic get and for win Ambazonia. Now for use our own people them. And for them for pretend let's say then they would we, where they know they would we. So then see how Chris Anu dang ready come out clear for support La Republic. For talk say me people they know obey lockdown, so that me people then go for day. Me then begin see them around the show and for the war setting then they find. But is despite that, would I see attack them, would I see show the war, say Ambazonian war, is they correct? I wanna remember even yesterday, even after that we attack. An attack where I promise and say we go attack and we attack. The Christian will still come, the toxin at them. They still come, the toxin at them, do the attack. But we know say na people here they no get no credibility. How you go do the even talk? Some of them even want to say Okoro na IG force. Okoro is an ADF fighter. We arm him, we beat him up. We have all the videos to prove it. And we don't need to be going around telling these soldiers to say that they are ADF or come out and make video. It's very, for decent people like us, it's not called for. But we know for sure, may I remind you, just for a reminder, this is the commander, the mission commander of General Okoro, who was killed in Bamenda. 2 of these boys, the way they died for year. One of them, now a former B way, be done switch side, who help you bring it, pay salary, then bring it, he can join that unit for General Okoro. Una they see big number for the all time. Now 2 of his soldiers and that way then die for day. Where they come for Bamenda can attack, beat them. They want target some black leg, they can take it out, take out 2 beat them for behind chair. Chris Anu come out, they talk say he be happy how they don't kill them. They even clap say if he get away for kill them. Chris Anu, John Igiawan, Stafru John so they talk say them be happy how they kill the boy that they call people. Today, they don't see how they attack La Republic for Pinyin. They come over talk say na their forces. But anyway, we not get time for begin the fight, the argue with those people. The people that for ground zero, they know the truth. So we congratulate the forces them for ground. We thank all our forces them where they don't participate for fight La Republic and for send this message. It is in spite of the pigs. So I want also for tell una say the forces them as I be send out audio for talk for public as we be doing for background for invite all our forces them for Mezami and come together and make we fight La Republic for inside Bamenda. We'll be send message for the Tabequifon. We'll be call them they can't join hand for fight. We also call the forces them for 7 Kata, General Tiger and all the rest of them they come. We don't put all the things them RPG them all thing and they in place already. 2 locations for Bamenda will be raided by La Republic to Cameroon. Unfortunately, we lost General Tiger, General Lion for inside Mancon. Now one of those forces them way Chris Anu be talking me then kill them. They go pay bounty. So we sure say make them go pay the money now for the beat them where they kill it. As their job now for begin fight force the ground zero.